duality of the Platonic solids. There's 5 solids. There is the cube, the tetrahedron, the icosahedron, the octahedron, and the dodecahedron. And with my pattern, I just drew a crazy pattern, but I freehanded all of this, and for each shape, I put it inside each other. Right here you can see the dodecahedron and the icosahedron. They're both inside each other, and I showed the duality of each pair. And what duality is one Platonic solid can fit inside another Platonic solid, and each point on the inside Platonic solid will touch a face on the outside one, and they are able to line up perfectly with each face. And let's see, right here I drew the cube, and I drew the octahedron inside it, and from the corners I drew the tetrahedron. Only the tetrahedron can fit inside the tetrahedron, and that's what's special about it. The pattern I drew kind of shows infinity with the cube, like they can infinitely fit inside each other. I didn't draw them on the inside of the shapes, because if you do that it gets kind of crazy and you wouldn't be able to tell what's going on. So I just made up a pattern myself, and then created a square, and each corner has another square in it with the Platonic solids of the cube and the tetrahedron, or the cube and the octahedron. And that was my drawing. I can pass it around if y'all want me to.
Yeah. It looks like a Platonic solid castle. Like that's the road, and then that's the castle.
Look
Oh
at
my
you.
god.
Is there any questions?
You freehanded all of
Is
it?
that
How long
like
did
a
it take you to freehand all of that?
It took a while.
Yeah.
Well, once I was able to draw the first shape, all I had to do was line the points up with the outside shapes, and it fit perfectly.
Was that your first attempt?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
All I needed was an eraser and a pencil.
I went through like 3 posters. I
I
was using a ruler.
Any more questions? Guess not.
All right.